All right, let's make our first sounds. Okay, the first thing I like to do on trumpet, actually, I don't like to play on the whole instrument or just the mouthpiece. I do this. Remember our tuning slide? I take it all the way out, and I set that down safely somewhere where it's not going to get hurt. And don't set it somewhere dirty. You don't want a bunch of dirt and hairs to get on that. So we're going to play on just the lead pipe, the mouthpiece, and the lead pipe. All right, we make our embouchure, put it centered, 50-50. That sound, teeth apart, right? And we're going to blow through a little hole in here, and it's going to sound like this. Kind of a weird sound. Sounds weird. Doesn't sound like a trumpet, but this is a good way to get sounds to come out, right? 50-50, centered. Breathe through the corners of my mouth. I'm not going to go, right? You want to get your lips set first. Get your lips set, right? And I can play for a long time. I still have a lot of air left. You want to take a big, deep breath and just blow steady. If you blow too hard, it's going to go, and that doesn't sound good. You don't want to go, you want to go. And I like to do 10-second notes on trumpet. Set a timer, get a watch, look at a clock, right? Get a watch out. Do 10-second notes. I could go longer, but I've been doing this a long time. So maybe you could only get 7 seconds or 8. Maybe you go 15 or 20. Try to get a steady sound with steady air. You don't want your air to speed up and slow down. You just want it nice, steady air. All right? Go practice some 10-second notes. Here, let's do one together. Right? Take your tuning slide out. Try it with me. I don't know how long that was, but it seems like it might have been 10 seconds. Okay, next thing you're going to do, put your tuning slide back in. Remember, the water key, or the spit valve, I forgot to talk about that earlier. Maybe I'll talk about it. That needs to go on the bottom, and then you put it in gently. Don't force it. Don't yank it, okay? Just gently put it back in. If it doesn't move very well, you might need to grease it up with some slide grease, and that stuff works good. Okay, now if you're going to play your trumpet, start with your no valves down, and you'll probably either get this note. I call that note number 1. We'll learn that later. Or you'll get this note. That's note number 5. And you'll notice that I got 2 different sounds, and I didn't change the valves. I didn't push any different valves down. That's because on trumpet we have partials. Partial means I change the way my mouth is shaped, and I change the way my tongue is shaped and my air, and I can get a lower or a higher sound. For a low sound, little bigger hole, little like more open air, kind of low tongue. For a higher note, smaller hole, faster air, and a higher note comes out. See if you can get both those notes to pop out. Just experiment. Try it out. Go for it. Make some great sounds.